Hello, I'm going to show you how to create a project for our Unit 3, Mi Ciudad, on Google Earth. So we're on Google Earth already. Mine is in Spanish, yours will be in English, but that's fine, don't worry about that. And then if you go to the left side, you see this little icon and it says projects. You click on there and then new project. From new project, you want to create it on Google Drive. So you click here. Then you're going to put a title. So the name of your city, in my case is Sevilla. We don't need to add a description. So we are just going to hit new element. And the first thing that is to add a slide with a picture of your city, the name of your city, the country where the city is, and with your name. So it's going to work like this. Sevilla. Here we go. Let me see. Yes. For some reason, didn't go through the first time, but yeah, it needs to be big. Then we're going to go and select a color, but that you wouldn't see that for a long time. So don't worry about this too much. I'm going to pick orange because in Sevilla there are lots of oranges. So I think this color will go really well. I'm going to choose a picture. So I'm going to click on here. And I've done a Google search already and I've got Sevilla. And I know this picture is really nice. I'm going to go for this one. To go to preview. So on the top left, you're going to click preview. So you see the orange. And then this is the first slide with the name of the city, the country, and your name. I'm going to go to close this. And I'm going to go back to the arrow. So this will be already saved. As you can see, it's already here. I'm going to add a new element. And for the first element, I'm going to search the city. Okay, so it shows on the map on Google Earth. And this is just like general view of the city. So in this moment, for my first element is okay. I'm going to click añadir al proyecto. So I'm going to add it. And this is very important. You need to change what it says there because otherwise it just takes the content from Wikipedia. So this is where you have to put the work that you've been doing, your homework, and adding a description of the city. So the title is going to be Sevilla again. And we're going to say Sevilla monumentos muy importantes. Monumentos antiguos muy importantes. Okay? So here you can personalize it a bit. You can change the size and the color. I'm going to go for orange again. And I'm going to go for a star. Okay. And here I'm going to also pick a picture of Sevilla, a different one. In this case, it's going to appear a bit smaller on your screen. Oops, sorry, not this one. On Google. and I'm going to go to preview. So this is the way it's going to look. And this is my text. Okay. So now I'm going to talk about the location of Sevilla. So for that one, I want to show. For this, I want to show the location. So I want to see how close Sevilla is to the coast. So in this case, this título is going to be Ubicación de Sevilla. And I'm going to select Sevilla Mapa. So ideally, you want to show a map of Spain or the country that you're talking about with your city and the location within the country. So let's see what we can find there. I think this one is quite good. Yeah, perfect. And then I've got my text, and it would be Sevilla a unos 100 kilómetros de la costa. Okay. And let me check this. Yeah, that's the way it's going to look. And let's go back to the project so far. And we're going to see how it looks. So we're going to do a presentation. So far we have just 3 slides, 3 elements, sorry, that would be the word. 1, the first slide, second slide,